Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, I'll show you how to play WebM files on an iPhone using a simple and effective method. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the App Store on your iPhone and search for VLC Media Player. This is a free and trusted app that supports various video formats, including WebM. Step 2. Download and install the VLC app from the search results. It usually takes just a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Step 3. Locate your WebM file on your iPhone. This could be in your Files app, Downloads, or anywhere you've saved the file. Step 4. Tap the Share button at the bottom left of the screen. This will bring up a list of apps you can use to open the file. Step 5. From the Share options, select VLC. If you don't see it right away, scroll through the app list or tap More to find VLC. Step 6. The file will open in VLC Media Player and you can now play the video without any issues. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful tech tips.